What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's full windshield on this Polaris RZR XP. So let's get right to it. So the first thing that you're gonna do is go ahead and remove all the contents of your packaging from SuperATV. We have our windshield laid out. We're gonna confirm that it fits our machine. Once you've done that, you're gonna wanna go ahead and remove the protective film from both sides of the windshield. Now we're gonna take our seal and apply it across the upper portion of the windshield. We're gonna go ahead and cut off our excess. Now we're gonna grab our bulb seal out of the kit. The way that we have our windshield laying with the curve up, this is gonna be the inside. This curve needs to face up, and you wanna make sure that your bulb seal, the seal portion of the seal here, is facing up as well. So we're gonna start right here on this edge, and we're gonna run it all the way around to the opposite side and then cut off our excess. So we have a special tool here that we install our bulb seal with. You all can use a rubber mallet. You just want to be careful. Obviously, you don't want to take a ball peen hammer and smack this windshield or tear your bulb seal up. Just something that's not going to damage the windshield in any way, shape, or form. You can put it on by hand, but it's a little faster and a little bit easier. Like I said, use a rubber mallet, or like I said here, we have a special tool that we use to install our bulb seal. Once we get all the way to this point here, what we're gonna do is just go ahead and cut off our excess. So if you have a roof installed in your machine, at this point you're gonna wanna loosen it, lift it out of the way, remove it. What we're gonna do, we have a factory roof installed at this point. We're gonna take these front clamps loose, kind of slide our roof back out of the way just to give us enough room to get our windshield installed. Every roof's gonna be just a little bit different to remove. So just like this is totally fine. It's out of the way enough to where we can install our windshield without any interference of the roof. So now we're just gonna take our windshield, slide it down into the channel here behind the hood and the front fenders. What we're gonna do is just line it up, get it as equal as we can side to side. You wanna try to get this bulb seal to line up in the center groove of the cage, just like so. So now what we're gonna do is grab our heavy duty Velcro straps. We're gonna slide them down through the upper portion of the windshield like so. Slide them back through. I like to rotate the clasp of this down below as far as I can. And kind of feed the strap back up through. So it looks something like this right here. Now we're going to take these clamps here, wrap it around the cage. I like to feed the strap back through the windshield. Then once it's fed through the windshield, I like to feed it through the clamp until I can grab a hold of the strap itself, pull a little bit out, and then slide it right back down through. And then you'll line your clamp up in the slot in the windshield, pull it tight. Same thing up here, we're gonna slide the strap through, slide it through the clamp so we can get a hold of it. Slide the strap back through, put tension on the windshield, clamp it down, then we're gonna go to the opposite side. So that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's full windshield on this Polaris RZR XP. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.